What's up, YouTube? I'm back with another video. I'm gonna show y'all how to change the pins out on a 93 GMC Sierra, which the door pins is what I'm talking about. But my door is not shutting right. I'm having to lift up on it to get it to shut. But like some of you know that's watched some of my videos, this is a project truck. So y'all bear with me. And I'm still working on making my videos, trying to get them right. But let's get started on this. I'm having to use my door spring compressor. Tighten it up some. Trying to get it to where it ain't as hard to get out, but it may work and it may not. Y'all can see that, I'm sure. Y'all hit that like and subscribe button. Comments. And just let me know. Well, it ain't gonna work. So we can try it another way. Just where she went. Spring. The thing is right there, pretty stiff. But I'll show you how to use it. So for future reference, as you know. Just get it to where it's in there. Just spin it till it fits in there right. You want to get it out as far as you can get it. Once you get it, I mean, pretty close, you can check. And that's gonna be about the right length to get it in there. I'll make another video on putting it in and putting the door pins in. I'm just gonna show y'all how to get them out and take the door off. There's a pin that goes through here, and I'll show you where the pin's at. Right here is the pin, and it goes down through here and comes out down here. You can see